Every day we are being exposed to many business or investment opportunities, some more risky or fishy than others. But being aware of these investment opportunities available in the marketplace, it's hard to understand why cryptocurrencies can be great viable investments to venture in. Cryptocurrencies, and Bitcoin in particular, have gotten much positive and negative attention in recent years. One thing that's clear for everyone is the disruptive power of this new medium of exchange. So why would someone venture into cryptocurrencies? Why should you move your money from the stock market or your savings account into cryptocurrencies? In this video, we will give you 5 critical reasons why you should invest in cryptocurrencies. If this is your first time watching us, make sure you subscribe to this channel, never to miss any of our videos. Now, let's get started. 1. Increasing adoption level. Just as the internet came to be adapted, Bitcoin has now been embraced by our community. More and more companies are ready to use Bitcoin as their primary currency. Bitcoin integrates into our world with the passing of every single day. Many companies are realizing the potential in technology and putting their money where their mouth is. Tesla, in February 2021, for example, has made a $1.5 billion investment in the technology and plans to accept it as a medium of purchase for its electric vehicles. Bitcoin's tale has just begun. Conventional fiat currencies are becoming extinct since they cannot be the ultimate solution to the real-world challenges. One has to wait for days to accept an international transaction. Frankly speaking, that isn't a thing for millennials. 2. Prices will continue to rise. Seeing the rewards of investing in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, more and more people join this new movement. It is a handy currency feature for cryptocurrency investors. If the coin's interest and value rise with more people than ever using any of the coins as their primary currency, the prices would inevitably rise. Bypassing a single day, companies realizing that cryptocurrencies are the perfect solution to their day-to-day money handling issues. This trend in the use of cryptocurrencies would potentially draw both small and large companies to choose cryptos. 3. Governments getting clearer understanding. Keep in mind that a particular government or a corporation doesn't own cryptocurrencies. For example, by comparison, Bitcoin is a public currency, one of the best reasons for its success. However, it must be licensed by the government to use Bitcoin. At the same time, no one country has jurisdiction over a cryptocurrency. This ensures that Bitcoin is legitimately verified to be used in trades and to store the money. Bitcoin has gained the confidence of governments around the world because of its high security features and honesty. Despite all its popularity, Bitcoin has never been interested in wiping out its users and disseminating fake knowledge to draw crowds. 4. Access to information. One scary thing about new investments is that they have no available public record or educational content out there. It is often a hindrance in enlightening and making an investment decision. This was the case of Bitcoin in the early days of its introduction. However, today, there are many success stories and content, like this one you are watching now, destined to make the decision process very easy for anyone. You don't need to spend 5 hours talking to your 17-year-old nephew who seems to be very tech-oriented before you understand cryptocurrencies and the blockchain. Everything is out there, both the good and the bad. 5. Meager cost of entry. Cryptocurrencies have an obvious advantage that is quietly unmatched. When thinking about investing, one usually has to budget a minimum of $1,000 depending on the type of financial asset you are dealing with. The good thing is that with cryptocurrencies, you can start investing with as little as $1. There are hundreds of coins that have a value below $1 that can easily make you some good returns. You have Dogecoin, which is currently trading at around 6 cents per unit, and Ripple below 50 cents. These two each have tremendous potential to pass the $1 mark by the end of the year. An investment in them is something you should consider. You can check out our videos on each of these coins and learn more about them. 6. Still pretty new and disruptive technology. I won't go on here why cryptocurrencies are having excellent peer-to-peer network capabilities. Here, I want to make a unique appeal to you. I want to implore you not to stay on the observer's side, but to get on the playing field. We live in the most fantastic time of human civilization, as Gary Vee says. The last thing you want to be is remaining conservative in the face of new technological improvements in the 21st century. Cryptocurrencies and their supporting technology, blockchain, can change every single part of our lives. Just as the gold rush in the United States took place in the 17th century, we are at a crossroads for a new future. Only the people that are willing to forego current comfort for a better land will be rewarded. Also, will it not be exciting to tell your grandkids about the bold move you took in the early 2020s? Yes! Think about it and see their faces as you tell them how brave you were and believed what only a few could see. This is all for today. If you already own some cryptocurrencies, let us know in the comment section how you encountered them for the first time and what pushed you to venture into them. Leave your answer in the comment section and we will make sure we answer all of them. Thank you and see you next time.